blew this whole place up.
That? Blew this?
Not blew it, covered it.
Covered it, yeah. Didn't blow it up then.
Hey guys.
Hey Charlie. Sitting on some Roman ruins.
Yeah. We're in Roman times now.
In Roman times? What are we doing?
Well, not really, we're in 2024. But we're in a Roman town, a city.
City, I think. I think it classifies as a city. You might have heard of it.
Pompeii.
Attention, fast train to Naples arriving on platform.
Ancient Roman roads. Vesuvius, we're going tomorrow.
You can't walk the whole way up, you have to get like
What do you make of it? Very good. No entry street. Oh, there's like a Roman no entry street.
There's one bad thing about this road. There's no shade.
There's a bit of shade on this side. We could actually make use of it. We're looking for the theatre, the amphitheatre.
They're just down there. I'm pretty sure. What was it? An ash cloud, not. So it wasn't actual lava really. Like people were.
It wasn't lava, no, it was just like
a massive ash cloud.
This looks good. Amazing.
We just walked out from the door behind me, and we walked out into this.
Incredible.
You got a lot of weird these, don't you? Weird crossings. Okay, left. Let's see.
It's like a sort of Roman level crossing. You know what these are?
No.
It's like it's where the wheels of the chariots would go through. That's where the wheels would just form like a groove.
Because they go over it so much.
Yeah.
Look, I'll go into the deepest bit. Wait down. Down?
Go on. It's halfway to your knee.
It's like all the way, it's halfway to my knee. That's quite deep. Just imagine how many tries this took just to get that to make it to do this.
Amazing that, because you look up the road behind you. You've got Vesuvius.
Wait, stay still. Is it able to show? That little pointy thing's Vesuvius.
It's very small in the camera, but
it's in person, it's huge.
these are the male baths.
What?
So like hot spa baths were a big thing in Roman times.
It's kind of air-conned. Like fresh air.
Amazing ceiling, again an original ceiling, but the decoration here is
Yeah, what is it? Yeah, Casa de Sirico. It's so cool, isn't it, Charlie?
Dead bodies.
Yeah, look.
So, were they the first people that died?
It was the first cast they made. would die instant on the thermal shock from the heat.
Yeah, so this is what happened to you if you were in the Pompeii. Go on the window. This is what would happen. This is what happened to them. Hello, welcome to my house.
Hello.
So, do you think someone lived in this?
Yeah, apparently the woman was saying what you can do is you can overhear other guides, people going on guided tours, and you can get snippets of what's going on. So apparently the person who owned this house, they reckon bought the house next door and knocked it into one big house. It even looks at these things. Imagine if that was in England, yeah? This would be like the most celebrated piece of Roman history in the whole of Britain, probably.
Why?
It's like, because you just don't get buildings of that scale in Britain anymore. They've all gone, apart from Hadrian's Wall. And yet here it's just like, it's just lost.
What, this is probably like the medium, this is like a medium level of
Like medium.
architecture.
It's like
Low.
low level that not one person would stop and look at this as they walk past. That's why I felt the need to give it some attention.
We just go to the end of the street and then turn left.
We're doing some navigation on
It's just literally, that's the route.
21st century technology.
Look at that. It's very hot today. Oh, it's very busy. It's very crowded, isn't it, Dad? I was going to say apologies for how you look. I literally, I couldn't describe how horrible this is. It's so hot that it's starting to make me want a cold shower.
Charlie's never taken out of a shower before. On this side.
Now we're going to the amphitheatre. And it's about a 10-minute walk. This place looks, because it's so dry, it looks
Come on,
like
this side,
a grass near green.
Keep out the sun. This is obviously a house in some way, yeah?
Yeah.
I guess they haven't dug it out at all. This is like,
Oh, yeah.
so that's what they would have had to, yeah, they would have had to dig all this stuff out. Well, they will at some point dig it out and they'll uncover what's underneath. And that's,
I don't know, because like, it was discovered in the 1800s, 18th century, which is it the 18th century or hundreds? Because if it was the 18th century...
no, it wouldn't be the 18th, it would be the 19th century.
So in the 1800s?
1800s, I think. We'll put it on screen.
Why did they dig it up?
Because, look at us, we're all here. We're all fascinated by the idea of...
Like, why did they decide to dig it up one day?
Look, we dug all that.
Well, it's quite a lot to dig.
Massive, aren't they?
Actually, no, where's Vesuvius? There. Oh, look, they've still got that bit to dig.
I know, look, it's all been bricked up just to...
They can dig it.
Well, just to hold it all back for now, and I guess one day they'll...
What is it? Ash?
It's ash and earth and... Buongiorno.
Buongiorno.
Oh my god, look at that fresco through there.
What?
It's a fresco. Holy moly.
They actually paint that?
Yeah, that is incredible.
Tous les fleurs, tous les plantes, tous les animaux typiques de la compagnie.
I think that's one of the most amazing things I've seen in today.
I'm surprised they managed to
Survived, yeah.
survive the ash cloud.
Yeah.
What, like somehow, like all the crumbling of Pompeii, all crashing and crying and people dying, and somehow that still stands in 2024 after about near 2,000 years later. So this is the amphitheatre, guys.
This is what the Romans would do. They'd come out here on their Sunday afternoons.
Now, you literally get no shade here.
Yeah, we don't have long here. No. That would have been amazing.
to answer the question.
So what did you think of Pompeii?
As the day gone, it got better. As we saw, like the theatre.
Theatre was good. Theatre was good. Just Roman streets, pretty cool. Chariot tracks.
Yeah. So that will be the end of
Pompeii.
doing Pompeii. And we'll see you tomorrow for Mount Vesuvius, which is
Crazy.
crazy.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.